Welcome to day 11 of learning Python using ChatGPT. Let's dive into today's session. Today we will discuss about functions in Python. Function is like a little machine. You give it input, it does some work and give the output. For example, def say hello, print hello. Here, def is the keyword to define a function. Say hello is a function name. Brackets are the parameters. Right now they are empty. Inside, the code that runs when you call it. So we can write say hello to run it and it will print the hello. So the first exercise is write a function called greet that prints good morning and then call it, which will be def greet print good morning. And when we call the function by writing greet, it will print good morning. Now let's make it more fun. What if we wanted the function to greet with someone's name, like good morning Rahul? How do you think we could change the function to make a name as input? We will write def greet name print good morning name. So if we write greet Alice or greet Bob, the output will be good morning Alice and Bob. Now let's try making this function even more flexible. What if we also want to pass in the time of the day, like morning, afternoon or evening, instead of just saying morning? So for example, greet Alice in afternoon. So here we can see we have two inputs. So in the function we will write two things. One is the name and second is the time, which will be define greet name and title, print name and title. So if we want to make it into a proper greeting, then we can add the good string, which will gives us the output. And then when we write greet Alice afternoon, greet Bob evening, it will give us the output as good afternoon Alice and good evening Bob. Let's try one ourselves. So we will define the greet function with name and title and print good, time, name and exclamation mark. And when we give the input as greet Rahul morning and greet Sachin night, so the output will be good morning Rahul and good night Sachin. Quick tip, Python isn't case sensitive, but strings are. So today we discussed all about functions, how to define a function, how to call a function, and how to add multiple parameters inside a single function. That's all for today. See you in the next session. Keep coding.